Hey man, what's going on? What time should we come over?
Hold on a second. My buddy says come around 5:30.
Who?
He's got a countdown to when the Bud Light will be cold.
Ant. Anyway, did you say you have beer?
Yeah, said we've got 42 Bud Lights plus whatever you bring.
All right, man. Cool. See you at 5:30.
With the Buddy Fridge, you can check how many beers you have from wherever you are. See how long it'll take your beer to get ice cold. Sync the app to your team schedule and it'll remind you when the game's on. Order Bud Light for home delivery right from your phone. This isn't the future, it's the Buddy Fridge.